In this video from Device Doctor, we will solve a common problem with the Epson L6190, paper jam error, and the printer not pulling paper.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
After we try to print, the paper jam error shows up on the laptop screen, and it also appears on the printer's display. So the printer can't start the job. To begin fixing the problem, the first step is to turn off the printer completely. After that, make sure to unplug both the USB cable and the power cable. This will help keep everything safe and give us better access to the parts we need to check. Next, remove all the paper from the input tray. Now, carefully remove the duplex unit from the back of the printer. Now, take a soft, clean cloth and dampen it slightly with water. Then, as shown in the video, gently wipe the rollers to remove any dust, dirt, or paper residue. This step is important to help the printer grab the paper smoothly. Now clean the rollers inside the printer as well. Make sure to check the paper path carefully and remove anything that might be stuck inside, like small pieces of paper or foreign objects. Also, take a moment to wipe away any dust or debris from inside the printer. After cleaning is done, put the duplex unit back into place. Then, reconnect both the power cable and the USB cable to the printer. Now we turn the printer back on and try printing one more time to check if the problem has been fixed. And that's how you fix the paper jam and feeding issue on the Epson L6190. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple solutions from Device Doctor. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help.